Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. And so today I will be tearing down this Cadillac 472 cubic inch big block. And if you guys watched my shorts about the Zap Motor Days blow up, this was ran into this contest and it quit, but we still got it, and supposedly it still runs, but we're going to take it apart anyways, so I might as well get to taking off the valve covers. Yeah, here's the oil right here. It's pretty black. It don't look too clean. Alright guys, so here are rocker arm springs. Push rods, they don't look that bad, but it looks pretty burnt up. There's a bunch of grime in there. So, alright, so might take off the head next, or we'll figure out what we're gonna do. So I took the rocker arms off, and my dad took the carburetor off. So here's what they're like without rocker arms. Yeah. There's the carburetor. Took it off. Here's the last bolt on this intake manifold. Alright, well, so we took out the intake manifold, and it does not look too good. Not supposed to have oil sitting there. Having a hot tub party there. But, holy crap, we got a mess. Alright, so here's the lifter gallery. The camshaft looks pretty wore. Other than that, it looks okay. A few pieces of gasket here and there. Could have been from us. Probably not from us, but okay, so now we got this head off, and we're going to take this head off now. Alright guys, so now I'm going to do the same thing that I did on that side. Alright guys, this head is one tough cookie. It's kind of stuck on here, so I'm going to try put the bar like so, and then going up. Keep slipping out. Ooh, I almost got it. Can't that cause a dipstick. There we go. Maybe I can get the other side free up too now. Try this port maybe. Free again. Oh, there we go. Okay, so now we just gotta take these bolts off, and we'll take the heads off. So right here is the passenger side head. Doesn't look too bad. The gasket looks alright. alright. Looks decent. And then the pistons here aren't too bad. Don't see any scoring on the cylinder or anything like that. And then we come to the driver's side, and we come to find that we have a blown head gasket right here. So, but other than that, the head is decent, I guess, but the head gasket is blown. And then here are the pistons on this side. So this piston's okay. It has some stuff, but that's probably from us. This one's decent, and then here, a whole bunch of water got in there and just kind of rusted it out there, so it's not good. And then over here is pretty good. Yeah, so I'll see what we're going to take off next. Alright, so next up, we're going to try and take this hub off right here. The pulley that we had just had it, so it had the three bolts here, and then in the middle here there was no bolt, just a cork, and we had to heat it up with the torch and stuff, but eventually we got it off. So we're going to take this off. We're going to try and take this plate off right here, and also we're going to take this oil thing off. Alright, I'll get to it. Alright guys, I'm back pulling off this hub. And when I said 3 bolts, I meant 4, but I'm just used to my Chevy engine over there. And if you look on that balancer, it has the 3 bolts in, 3 bolts right here, and then the 1 bolt in the middle. So, alright. Yeah, this is coming off easy peasy. See it sliding out. So close. There we go. We done it. Alright guys, so now I have taken off the oil pump here. You can see the grease mark from the gears. That's kind of cool. But yeah, so now the next step is to take this off. That way we can get this off too. This cover here. Alright, I'll get to it. Alright guys, we just dropped the oil pan here. So there's pistons and rods. Here's the oil pan. Here, I'll come around to the other side, but from the looks of it, doesn't look all that bad. Yeah, pretty good. And then we just also got off that yellow cover that was there. So now here's diamond chain, all this stuff, and so now the next step is going to be to flip over the engine and then take out the rods and pistons and caps. Alright guys, I got it flipped, and so now we're going to take all main pistons and everything out. But as we were flipping, it leaked out a little bit of antifreeze over here, but we got that all wiped up. So I guess we'll get to work now. Hi, we're back again, and we're taking off the mains because the engine is really tight. So I'll get to it. I have to be careful not to spin it too much, or else it flings oil when it's all the way at the top. so we had just got off the main caps, and the crankshaft, some lobes were good and some lobes were bad. This is one of the bad lobes. Here, the bearing is starting to really wear. This one's right here is okay. This one is also really bad. That was starting to wear. This one's okay. So is this one. And then, so now we're going to take out the pistons and the rods.